Welcome to today's tutorial. We're making beautiful earrings using bicone and pearl beads. Let's get started. 4 mm pearl beads, 4 mm bicone beads, 0/11 seed beads, diamond earring stud, jump rings, 0.25 mm nylon wire. Tools: pick up 6 4 mm pearls, pass through again for secure double round, then tie knots. Pass the end wire through one bead, then carefully cut the excess. Now, pass the needle through the next bead. Now, add 1 seed bead in each gap. Add the final seed bead, then pass the needle out from the first seed bead you added. Add 1 bicone, 1 seed, and 1 bicone bead. Pass needle back through the same seed, out through the next. Repeat this process for all the seed beads. After adding the last bead, bring the needle up through the bicone and out through the upper seed bead. Take 1 bicone, 1 seed, and 1 bicone bead. Pass the needle through the next seed bead. Repeat the same process. When finishing the loop, bring the needle out through one bicone and one seed bead to the upper side. Now, take one pearl bead, pass the needle through the upper seed bead, and repeat the process. Important, make sure you pass the needle through the upper seed bead, not the lower, to avoid confusion. Now, gently pull the wire to squeeze the beads together, giving the earring its final shape. Pass the needle through the upper bicone and seed bead, bringing it out from the center upper seed bead. Now, take 3 seed beads, pass the needle back through the same seed to create the loop for the earring stud. Pass the wire through the loop one more time for increased strength and durability. Pass the needle through a few more beads, tie a few knots, and cut the excess wire. Now, take the jump ring, attach the earring and the earring stud, and secure the jump ring. See, the earrings are complete. So beautiful, elegant, and surprisingly easy to make. Now go make your own. Feel free to tag me if you create your own design. I'd love to see it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And comment with any questions.